Buying Bitcoin now is still a dream for many. People never thought that cryptocurrencies would reach this height. Watch this video and make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to buy it while it's still affordable. Welcome to our channel, Financial Insights, the place where you're always a little bit smarter and wiser after seeing one of our valuable videos so you can develop your financial knowledge. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can make even more financial content. Nearly everyone would have heard about Bitcoin, but for those of you who aren't familiar with Ethereum, it is an open source, blockchain-based, decentralized software platform used for its own cryptocurrency, Ether. Ethereum is not just a platform, but also a programming language running on a blockchain, and it also allows for the creation of a variety of applications, including tokens, and unlike most of the other traditional applications, they don't require intermediary services to operate. It enables distributed applications and smart contracts to be built and run without any fraud, downtime, control, or interference from a third party. During 2014, a pre-sale was launched for Ether, which had received a wonderful response. Ether is like a mode of transport for moving around the Ethereum platform and is mostly sought by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum. Ether is used mainly for two purposes. It is being traded as a digital currency exchange similar to other cryptocurrencies, and it is also used inside Ethereum to run applications and even to monetize work. According to Ethereum, it can be used to decentralize, codify, secure, and trade just about anything. One of the big projects around Ethereum is Microsoft's partnership with Consensus. Ethereum was split into two separate blockchains, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, in 2016. The new Ethereum was a hard fork from the original software intended to protect against malware attacks. It has now become a very popular cryptocurrency alternative to Bitcoin over the last year. It has also been adopted by many startups and companies as a way to transact. In the world of cryptocurrency, Ethereum is more like a diamond. It has both an industrial value and an intrinsic value. Bitcoin operates more like gold. It doesn't have much of an industrial value, but people buy it and sell it based on its intrinsic value to the holder. Ethereum is not just money, it also has monetary aspect. Bitcoin uses the blockchain technology specifically for conducting monetary transactions, so it's a straight currency. At the same time, Ethereum uses this blockchain technology to allow the creation of applications that can be executed in the cloud, can be protected from manipulation, and much more. Ethereum has been successful in attracting all types of attention, from real estate to finance, to investors, software developers, hardware manufacturers, and much more, thanks to its unique abilities. Since Bitcoin was designed to be a currency, it uses the same underlying technology principles, but uses them to facilitate monetary transactions. Ethereum, on the other hand, was designed to facilitate software processing using a token system called Ether. Ether has become more valuable as a result of people becoming interested in technology. Lots of apps are being developed on Ethereum, and even some major financial companies have gotten involved in the space. Investing in Ethereum has also some advantages. Liquidity. Ethereum is one of the most liquid investment assets due to the worldwide establishment of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages. You can easily trade Ethereum for cash or assets like gold instantly with incredible low fees. The high liquidity makes it a great investment vessel if you're looking for short-term profit. Digital currencies are also a long-term investment due to their high market demand. Lower inflation risk. World currencies are usually regulated by their governments, but Ethereum has a transparent inflation plan and is subject to less risk. The blockchain system is infinite, and there's no need to worry about your cryptocurrencies losing their value. New opportunities. Ethereum and cryptocurrency trading is relatively young, and new coins are becoming mainstream on a daily basis. This newness brings unpredictable swings in price and volatility, which might create lots of opportunities for massive gains. However, there are also certain risks associated with Ethereum investments. Little or no regulation. The crypto market currently operates with no major regulations. It isn't taxed, and governments have no clear stance on it. As a result, you could stand exposed to fraud and malpractice. New regulations. The government is unlikely to let cryptocurrencies remain unregulated for long. New regulations could interfere with business models and cause crashes that are entirely out of anyone's control. The threat of online hacking. You can never be too safe. Hacking is a threat facing cryptocurrency investors. Most exchanges let you buy and sell your cryptos using a mobile app or website. This leaves them susceptible to hacking and theft of all your investment. And cryptocurrency held on most exchanges isn't insured by the FDIC. Wallets can be lost. If your hard drive crashes or a virus corrupts your wallet file, you lose your bitcoins. You can go from a wealthy to a bankrupt investor within seconds with no way to recover. As we said earlier, Ether is the token which powers the Ethereum network. The price of Ether has almost doubled its price since the start of this year, from around $750 to break above the $1,400 mark. This has significantly outpaced market leader Bitcoin's rise from around $29,000 to $35,000, a 20% jump. As of now, we can clearly see that there is an increasing demand for Ethereum, and there is a decrease in the supply as well. As Ethereum recently surpassed its all-time highest price, the people who are searching for Ethereum on Google are higher than ever. That clearly explains that people are now getting interested in it. A lot of Ether tokens are locked in DeFi, and as DeFi gets more value locked in it as every day and month passes, this takes supply off the market. As of now, there are only 10.5 million Ethereum left in circulation. So, Ethereum is expected to have a liquidity crisis just like it happened with Bitcoin in the past. With lack of supply and increase in demand, the price of Bitcoin multiplied by almost 4 times. Right now, the probability of Ethereum multiplying by almost 4 times and reaching prices of around $4,800 doesn't sound impossible, right? Ethereum at $5,000 isn't hard to believe. Recent reports show that the number of Ethereum coins stored on exchanges has been gradually decreasing in the past year and showcased a massive drop. This causes speculations if the growing demand for Ethereum and decreasing liquid supply could skyrocket the asset price. Despite the fees of Ethereum, the ecosystem is getting bigger as people are flocking towards Ethereum and are using the Ether token. Ethereum doesn't have a fixed supply like Bitcoin and might never have a fixed supply like Bitcoin. But in this bull cycle, Ethereum is definitely going to increase value and will take more supply off the market. Many of you might not have heard about this, but Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559 might contain some critical changes to the Ethereum network. The implementation will also push Ether towards becoming a deflationary attained asset. The entire logic is driven by the fact that they will be burning tokens. Since the tokens are going to be burned, the existing supply of Ether will become even more valuable to the investors. All this suggests that, as we said earlier, Ethereum at a price of $5,000 doesn't look impossible in the near future. And right now, we can see Ethereum being taken off of exchanges and being locked up out of liquid supply like never before. Ethereum's ecosystem and narrative have never been stronger. Nearly 3 million Ethereum have been locked up for long-term staking, removing them from the buyable supply. The cryptocurrency has a market cap of around $150 billion. Owning a Bitcoin is a dream for many right now, but buying one Ether is still within reach of many people. Those of you who remember about a time when Bitcoin was affordable would know that this opportunity won't last for much longer. So we definitely suggest you take advantage of this. Now let me tell you how you can invest in Ethereum. You will need a digital wallet if you would like to invest in Ethereum. It doesn't trade on any major stock platform, so you won't be able to go to your online discount broker and buy Ethereum. You have to convert it into your wallet. You should remember that Ether is a currency, and it must be treated as such by the investors. You don't buy shares of Ether like you would stocks. Instead, you are exchanging your dollars for Ether tokens. There are no dividends, no payouts. Your only hope is that in the future, other people on the internet will pay you more for your tokens than you bought them for. Let us know in the comments if you think Ethereum is your best chance of becoming a millionaire this year. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and check out our other valuable videos. See you soon at Financial Insights.